How much do you hate Squirrel Girl? A fascinating question. Curiously, every answer ever recorded has simply been yes. Schurus procrastinatus has evolved an extraordinary fear of the front line. Researchers believe prolonged exposure causes immediate discomfort, and in advanced cases, actual teamwork. Observe. A Groot, minding his own business, is struck by an explosive nut launched from somewhere in the next postcode. There was no plan, no intent, just random bullshit. This is Spider-Man. Like many creatures in the rival ecosystem, he has grown increasingly intolerant of the Squirrel Girl. Years of explosive nuts, accidental kills, and general bullshit have pushed him beyond reason. Pure spite. The Squirrel Girl makes one final attempt to escape and heal. Spider-Man politely informs her, no, a single slap is all it takes to end her miserable existence. Spider-Man now waits patiently. A rare display of intelligence from a creature usually known for flying into danger. The Squirrel Girl respawns, unaware she has become the subject of a personal vendetta. She continues her activities: explosive nuts, random bullshit, general ecosystem disruption. Spider-Man intervenes. However, Deadpool arrives and interrupts the hunt. Forced away, Spider-Man retreats, but predators are patient. He returns. The Squirrel Girl is eliminated. Unfortunately, the satisfaction is stolen, and like any reasonable creature, Spider-Man takes his frustration out on everyone nearby. Realizing she has been marked, Squirrel Girl makes a desperate switch. Her plan is simple: become Spider-Man. Surely, if she becomes the hunter cannot hunt her. Unfortunately, we may have finally uncovered the truth behind his strange character choice. Observe carefully. Notice how he performs. The missed swings, the questionable decisions, the complete absence of skill. And so, it ends. The Squirrel Girl main has finally been forced to switch. The nuts have stopped flying. The bullshit has ended. And Spider-Man stands victorious. Not because he won the battle, but because, for one beautiful moment, there was no Squirrel Girl.